This is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at my latest design. This is the Dutch Braid Motif Afghan. So I have come out with a few Dutch Braid Afghans recently. I had the original Dutch Braid and then also a diamond Dutch Braid. This one is now the Dutch Braid cable worked in a motif or in a square. And each of my squares approximately 9.5 inches wide. So I've made 12 of them total and just made a nice size baby blanket and also edged it with my favorite knit look ribbed edging with the half double slip stitch in back loops only around all four sides. And I just used a acrylic DK weight or light worsted weight yarn in this pretty sand pink color, and I used a K hook or 6.5mm hook for the sample. So it was really fun to work. It's actually not too complicated. I have filmed a video demo demonstrating exactly how to work the squares, how to make these squares, and they are quite repetitive. You are having stitch count increases, but other than that the actual stitching is the same on most of the rounds. So it's actually pretty easy to memorize and work. This is what the back of the blanket looks like. Just a bit of an outline of the ribbing and the cabling. So I really love how this one turned out. It has a nice weight to it, but not too heavy, especially in this DK weight yarn. So you can make this to any dimensions, of course, and it's really fun. So I hope you do enjoy this new design if you give it a try.